guys, so I've just got a quick review today. Actually, I just wanted to cover a few new IT Cosmetics products. Actually, they had a kit out on QVC where you got the new Confidence in a Gel Lotion, you got their Bye Bye Lines Foundation, and you got their Confidence in a Neck Cream, which is just okay. I don't know, I'm not a huge fan of it, but... and then a brush, I believe the deal was like 60 bucks or so, which was a really good deal. And I hadn't tried their Bye Bye Lines foundation, although I've tried their beauty balm creams. And I thought I'd pick it up. It was a nice chance to try a few new products. And I'm wearing the foundation right now, which actually I will admit, though, it was the first time in quite a while that I had applied a foundation with a brush. And actually, I ended up kind of liking the foundation. It doesn't have really any fragrance in it. It applies pretty smoothly. It gives a nice natural finish, which I really appreciated. Just on days when I'm just not going too heavy on foundation or not doing anything or not going out anywhere. So actually I really like it. The brush, I really like the IT Cosmetics brushes overall. They do a nice job. This shade is medium, which to be honest, I personally think the light medium would have been a little bit better for me. But on days when I use a little bit of self-tanner, I don't think it'll be an issue. So, but it ends up with a nice natural finish. And I really like the brush, actually. And, you know, I've been using a beauty blender or my hands to apply foundation, and I haven't used a brush in quite a while, so it was really nice. Let me get to their Confidence in Gel Lotion. It is pretty silicone-y, but it does feel nice on your skin and hydrating. It is definitely a very gel texture to it. So now I've been using it for the last couple weeks, and I actually really like it for the most part. It applies nicely. It doesn't really have any scent to it, which is nice. For IT Cosmetics, it's got a short ingredient list. But definitely a little bit heavy on silicones and things like that, but I haven't had any breakouts or anything from it. So, but it definitely does a nice job hydrating skin. It takes a bit of time to absorb. But once it does, it feels nice on the skin. It definitely feels very hydrating. And so far, it's played well with all my other products. So really liking some of these sets and the brush. I was wondering if there's a number on it, but there isn't. So, but you can check these out on QVC. But I know the Gel Lotion is also up at Ulta. Not sure if it's going to be at Sephora or not. But check it out. I really actually quite like it. So... unless you have very, very breakout prone skin or very, very oily skin. Normal, dry, sensitive skin, I think, should have no issues with it. At least I haven't. So, anyway, and then their neck cream, I don't know. It's okay. I just didn't find it to do anything special for the neck area that any other moisturizer didn't do. And I really, overall in general, I personally don't think a neck specifically needs a neck cream unless you've got specific issues. But this one it's jar packaged, and I don't know, the beneficial ingredients kind of degrade rather quickly, but I don't know, for the set, I thought it was a good deal. So I'll definitely at some point use it up, just not eager to. So anyway, so those are my kind of first impressions on it. I'll definitely be doing more thorough reviews of all of these items after I've had a few months to try them all out. So, but definitely the foundation, I think, looks okay for a good natural look. So anyway, I'm interested if you guys had a chance to try any of these products. Or if you have questions or comments about any other IT Cosmetics products, definitely let me know. So leave a comment. I love hearing from you guys. Check out the Amazon link below and nobsbeauty.com. Thank you guys so much.